There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you.
Life quotes of the day. Don't tie yourself in knots trying to be someone you are not. Hello everyone, have a wonderful day. So today, let's take a walk here again at Canar. So join with me as I walk you around here. This is Jacaranda and it's open. Alright, let's take a look here at the beautiful small port of Canar. The boat is just leaving. Okay. Look at that. That is their price going to Formentera, Canar to Formentera. 0 to 3 years old is free. Your residents 10 euro, adult 42 euro back and forth. Okay, let's take a look at here at the bridge. Wow. Alright, let's keep moving. This is their ticket station. That is Las Arenas Bakery and Restaurant. Okay, let's take a walk over here at the port of Canar. Wow. This is a small port of Canar. Alright, let's keep moving. Oops. Wow. Look at that. Okay, let's go in up in here. In front of me, that is Aloha Hotel. Over there, that's big one. That's a big hotel here in Canar. Alright, let's keep moving. And here on the left is Charlie's. Where there's live music every night. Alright, until late in the morning. Okay, let's continue walking. Let's take a walk over here, and that is Marvin Restaurant over there. Okay, let's take a walk here at the beach. Wow, here you can enjoy different water sports. Look at that, parasailing, paddle surf, middle boats, kayak, and boat trips. enjoy the holiday here in Canar. Okay, let's see. Let's take a look at the beach. Let's take a look at the beach. Wow. There's so many people enjoying the beach over there. So, wow, it's a very strong waves here. Wow, today the waves is this restaurant is kind of over there. Right. Let's keep moving. Over there is Boa. Over there is Boa. Alright, let's keep moving over here. Until here is Boa also. Okay, let's keep moving. And over there is the tower station where there is Canar also. Okay, let's keep a look over here. And this is the shower station. Let's keep moving over here. That is over there before is Pico restaurant, but now it's closed already. Look at that restaurant. There's no name of Pico. Okay. Over here. Wow, it's a beautiful plants. So above here is the view of the beach of Canar. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Okay. Look at that. That is all the beach of Canar. Alright, let's keep walking over here. Let's keep moving. Okay. So, if you are new here in Canar, that's the view that you can see and the beach. It's so beautiful. Alright, let's keep moving over here. Let's take a shortcut. Over there is the feria where children can enjoy the rides at night. Okay, let's take a shortcut here in the small forest. And there, the big one, the big building over there, I don't know if you can see, is Leonardo Hotel. Alright? Okay. Let's keep moving here. Okay, we're almost near to the main road. Alright. Okay. There's a souvenir shop in front. And over there is going to Cala Nova. Alright, and Coral Beach. Okay, let's continue moving. Okay. In front in here is bar restaurant Doste. Okay. Let's continue walking. Let's cross the road. Okay. Here in front is Art Restaurant, and look at that. Wow, where you can buy souvenirs, different souvenirs. So I think that's all for today's vlog, and thank you so much for watching. See you again in my next video. Bye bye.